Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your backup light bulb on a Honda Odyssey. First, you're going to open your liftgate, and on the interior side of the liftgate is this access panel to the light bulb. It's on the back side of the backup bulb, and to do that you can use a flathead screwdriver. You just gotta be really careful that you don't mess up the plastic, but I like to use these plastic pry tools that are meant for prying on trim. And you can see this little notch right there on the panel. We're going to pry right there and just pop that panel right off. And then on the inside here is the plug. You just want to grab a hold of it and turn it a quarter of a turn counterclockwise and then pull out on it. Then have one hand on the plug and the other on the bulb and just pull directly out on it. And the bulb pops right out. And then take your new bulb, and I'll put in the description below which bulb you need. And you're going to take your bulb, and it doesn't matter which way it goes into the plug, either way will work. And just take it and press it into the plug until it comes to a stop. And when you go to put it back in, you want to look for the alignment pins on the plug. You can see that that one is much larger than the others. And in the hole, you can see that the slot right there is the larger one and those other ones are smaller. So you just want to take those pins and align them with that hole and then turn it clockwise about a quarter of a turn and it'll stop. And then you want to go ahead and take your cover and these alignment tabs right here, just stick them onto the trim and then press the other side in. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your bulb. Thanks for watching.